knew I could do something like this? Who knew? I'd like to know. I know somebody knew. Tell me.
Hi. Testing. 1, 2. Welcome back to Lindsay's Kitchen. And today we are doing something I am so excited about. I have been eating pancakes every morning for the past 2 months. Wait. The past 3 months. The past 3 months, every morning, almost, I've had pancakes. So my best friend Jennifer tagged me in this video. Please look at this. It's called Pancake Cereal. What you do is get a bag, fill it with pancake batter, and then squirt it out, poop it out. We're gonna go with squirt. You squirt it out onto a pan, and these little, even smaller than a silver dollar, into cereal-like spheres. Let's go. I'm gonna show you what you need.
You're gonna need a pan, butter, pancake mix, syrup, spray for your pan, and either a measuring cup or measuring cups that you can pour into a bowl, whatever.
So first things first, on the realist, you're gonna turn your stove on to medium, okay? We don't need high heat, we need medium, maybe even medium to low, depending on how shiesty your stove is. Mine is very temperamental. First, I'm going to measure out a cup of pancake mix. And then, this is kind of important for this. Normally, so you put as much water in the pancake mix as you want your pancakes to be thick. For this, we want it to be a little more liquidy, a little more runny, because we're gonna be squirting it out of this bag. I'm not fancy, I don't have one of those little cake decorator things. If you have that, then definitely use that, all right? It's gonna be easier for you. So I am gonna fill this up probably about almost a cup of water. Okay, I think that'll be good. I'm just gonna spray this lightly. Make sure she's closed tight. I'm a little nervous.
Okay, so I'm just gonna cut a tip into the corner here, and we're gonna go for it. Okay, so as you can see, I made these little dollops. They're definitely not perfect. I think the hole that I cut in the bag was a little too thick, but now what I'm gonna do is basically wait until they're cooked on one side, and then I'll flip them over and we'll see how they go. Ooh, let's take a look. The babies are growing almost to maturity. Let's flip them over. Okay, something I'm finding out right now is you don't actually have to flip these. If you'll see my first batch, they're a little crispy, that's okay though. But see here, I didn't flip these 3, and I'm not gonna have to. They look like they're cooked. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these in the bowl. I turned my heat down on my stove a little bit, so hopefully the next batch won't be as crunchy. Whoop.
It seems as if burning food ever so slightly is my bag, and that's fine. I'll take that bag to the market gladly, because you know what? They're not burnt to a crisp, and they're edible. So if my hair was down, I'd flip it. So I don't know, these little dollops here are perfectly round. What I did when I had my bag was, instead of just going around, since I cut my hole a little bit bigger, I squeeze it out lightly and then kind of flick it a wrist, flick it a wrist, flick it a wrist, all the way around to where they made these little circles. So now they're a little bit more perfect, and my technique is perfect, and everything I do, you know the rest. Ooh. Alright. Y'all better get it figured out, because my fire is flame. That tastes so good. I'm gonna put the syrup on, and I'm just gonna drizzle it over top. I like syrup, but I'm not trying to like drown my kids in syrup, you know what I'm saying? So Yep. You can't see it. Why am I showing you? You can't see it. It's too dark. That's good.
Here's what it looks like. I'm gonna put a little bit more syrup on these and put it in the microwave for like 10 seconds. Because you know why? Once my pancakes start to get cold, I get turned off real fast, and I don't want that. I don't want that. I've been thinking about making this video for 3 days. All right, I'm peacing. Sorry for the shaky camera. We'll get it figured out someday. I'm gonna eat these. Thank you for watching. If you do it, let me know how it goes, okay? I love you. Bye.